So now goes to types of leaves. Types of leaf, it is of two types. Types of leaves, it is also belonging to two types. One, it is nothing but a simple leaf. One, it is a simple leaf. And the second one, it is a compound leaf. One, it is simple leaf. Another one, it is a compound leaf. So simple leaf means simple leaf, it shows entire margin. Simple leaf, it shows entire margin like this. But whereas another leaf, it is also called as simple leaf. Why? Because in the simple leaves, incisions or lobes. Incisions or lobes. These incisions or lobes, they are not connected to midrib. These incisions or lobes, if they are not connected to midrib, it is also called as a simple leaf. For example, this leaf, that example, that is nothing but Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica, it is the leaf where it does not shows any incisions or any lobes. So here this leaf, it is called as simple leaf, where it shows a complete entire margin. That type of leaf is also called as simple leaf. Example, Mangifera indica. But whereas this leaf, example, it is nothing but Brassica. Example, that is nothing but Brassica. That means in this leaf, it shows incisions. These are nothing but incisions. These are nothing but incisions. Or it is also called as lobes. Or it is also called as lobes. These incisions or lobes, they are not connected to which one? They are not connected to midrib. They are not connected to midrib. So this type of leaf can be also called as a simple leaf. This is about the simple leaf. When we are moving towards compound leaf, when we are moving towards which leaf? Compound leaf, simple differentiation. In this compound leaf, it shows incisions. In this compound leaf, it shows incisions or lobes. These lobes or incisions are attached to which one here? Midrib. Attached to midrib. Attached to midrib. That means in the compound leaf, the leaf, they does not shows entire margin. That means it shows incisions. That means it shows incisions or lobes. That means it shows incisions or lobes attached to the rachis. Attached to the rachis. What is meant by rachis means? Rachis is equal to petiole plus midrib. Petiole plus midrib. So here this leaf is called as compound leaf. The compound leaf does not shows entire margin. This compound leaf, it shows incisions or lobes. These incisions or lobes attached to midrib. And this it is not called as midrib here. It is called as rachis. Rachis is equal to combination of petiole plus midrib. And one more thing here. The axial thing, this one is the simple leaf and this is the node area. This is nothing but the simple leaf. This is nothing but the node area. That means axial of the simple leaf, it shows axillary bud. Axial of the simple leaf, it shows which bud means axillary bud. Axial of this simple leaf belonging to the Brassica also shows axillary bud. Also shows which one here? Axillary bud. But whereas the axial of the compound leaf, it also shows which one means the axial of the, what is meant by axial means upper angle between the node and the compound leaf is called as axial, and where this shows axillary bud, here also it shows axillary bud. But what is the difference means? The axial of the compound leaf shows axillary bud. Axial of the simple leaf also shows axillary bud, but the axial of the compound leaflet, these are nothing but axial of the compound leaflet. Axial of the compound leaflet. Axial of the compound leaflet, they does not shows axillary bud. They does not shows which bud means axillary bud. Axil of the compound leaflet shows axillary bud. No. But axil of the compound leaf shows axillary bud. Yes. Axil of the simple leaf shows axillary bud. Yes. And for this compound leaf, they given the example that is nothing but neem tree, neem leaf. That is nothing but Azadirachta indica. That is nothing but which one means Azadirachta indica. In this Azadirachta indica, here the leaf is divided into many leaflets. Leaf is divisible into how many? Many leaflets. Leaf is divisible into many leaflets. That means, see, this is nothing but which one here? It is called as rachis. Rachis is equal to midrib plus petiole. In this rachis, whether it is branched means it is not branched. That means itself it is called as primary rachis. Primary rachis is not branched. Primary rachis is not branched. That means on this primary rachis, leaflets are arranged on either side of the primary rachis, either side of the unbranched primary rachis. And one more thing here, the terminal part of the rachi ended with how many leaflet means a single leaflet. The terminal part of the rachi, that is nothing but which one means terminal part of the rachi. Terminal part of the rachi, it is ended with how many leaflets means ended with a single leaflet. Can we call this arrangement of leaflets called it as imparipinnate or paripinnate? Means it shows imparipinnate arrangement. It shows imparipinnate arrangement of leaflets. That means imparipinnate arrangement of leaflets means the terminal part of the rachi ended with single leaflet or two leaflets means it is ended with only single leaflet. Then it is called as imparipinnate arrangement. Can you tell me the number of leaflets, whether they are coming towards even number or odd number? Means here their number, it goes to odd number. Number, it goes to which one here? Odd number. Why it is going odd number? Means the terminal part of the rachi ended with single leaflet. Can you count these leaflets? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means whether it is odd or even means they are nothing but odd number of leaflets. So this is about the types of leaves we completed.